Hello, you're here with Miss Libby Rose again, and I just wanted to talk a little bit today about my after school clubs. Now, I do these in Greenwich and Blackheath, and at the moment I've been running some 5-week courses after school on a Wednesday um, for two age groups. The first age group is for 7 years up, and the next age group was for 11 years up. And I always get a bit sad on the final day. So today's the last one of our 5-week course, and then I will run another one again next month. I just wanted to really tell you a little bit more about it, and just to say how proud I am of all that they've achieved. Each student gets their own sewing folder, and they put their name on there. And with my 7 years plus, we all meet for an hour on a Wednesday after school at 4 o'clock. And the first project I did with these guys was to make a little kind of purse bag, and I just wanted to get them all stitching and using the sewing machines. So we started making, and they all made those up really nice, and they added little straps as and bows and all sorts of things like that. So I got them stitching. Next, I wanted to get them thinking about design, and I thought, what's fun for 7 years plus? And I thought, right, let's design a little creature. And this is when I really start getting into it. So I just want to quickly show you really what they started to achieve. I've told them all to bring their creatures in this afternoon because I really want to see them, and I'll get some photographs up on the Facebook. Now this one was Little B. She decided to sorry, this was Little Lottie. She decided to do a sausage dog. Now, you get a little worksheet so they can do some little drawings and things like that on there, and just some descriptions to get them really, really thinking about the design process. But it's a fun design process as well. So she wanted to do a little sausage dog. She drew it up, and then we drew it up as a design. So then we cut it out as the actual shape, and she wanted to add her little ear on and things. So we got that. Then we got cutting out and making, and I'll just show you some of the other ideas. This one's B. So she did the cat shape, and then we cut all of that out in different fabrics, and she did buttons for eyes and a little bow for the neck and things like that. And did the owl shape. So did that, and then she did all the little bits of writing and things on there. And Madeline's. So that was a dog called Caramel, and you might have seen that already on my Facebook page, with all of her lovely caramel coloured doggy on there. And then we've got the whale, Sophia's whale, and she added all of her things as well, and she did her colourings and everything on her design sheet. So this evening they're doing their last design of either a pencil case or a little skirt, so that they'll be finishing those this afternoon for their last project. Now for my 11 plus, we really got stuck in, and we started off, I wanted to get them all stitching again, so we made a reversible bag, and they really got into that and did a bit of applique and things on there. Then I got these girls designing, and we designed a skirt. So they all got worksheets, and I asked them, so we did all different worksheets, and we did measurements and things like that. But really what I wanted them to do was go off and start designing and sketching at home, and having a think about the things that they might like to do. So they can come back with all of the things that they would love to do, and then I can say, okay, this is what we'll be able to do in the time. So we've got Nina's here she's done a mood board and her different designs of skirts that she would like. She loves the little kind of the little skirts, which is quite cute. She's done all of her measurements up there, and then this is almost finished. So she's done hers as a little kind of Tennessee skirt that all and it'll have an elastic waistband, so she's yet to sew that on tonight, and it all gathers in at the waist like that. So that one's very cool, and she'll be finishing that one off tonight. Ruby's is good. I haven't got her drawings in here, unfortunately, but she's done hers and the same thing, so she'll be adding on her waistband tonight. So that one's quite cool. She's been working with a different type of fabric as well, so it's getting used to using like zigzag stitch if you're doing something with a bit of jersey. And this one was the other Ruby. She bought in some lovely like Chinese fabric, and I don't have her beautiful drawings here. And this one she's been working on, and she wants to add some pleats and things, so she'll be adding in some things this evening and doing her hem tonight. But that is beautiful, and you will see pictures of that, I hope, the finished project tonight. After that should go up on the Facebook page. Who else have we got? Amelia, lovely. So again, we used worksheets to do all of the writing up. Then we drew it up into our template of a skirt, so everyone's got their patterns with their seam allowances and everything on there. This one's quite nice. This is like she's used a denim-y type of fabric, and she's got an elastic waistband that she's going to put in tonight, and she's still got to do her hem this evening as well. Rosie. Now, her drawing. So she's got this kind of tennis skirt, and she wants to put a bow on, and she wants an elastic waistband as well. So that's her one that she's done, and she's got to add on her waistband tonight. She's got her ribbons and things all ready to attach on later. So that's looking quite good. Almost done. So here, Kaylee, yeah, she's done some beautiful drawings, and again the mood board type of things, getting loads of fabrics together, doing loads of designing, and saying she's used the workout sheets to do all of her measurements. She's got some wonderful ideas, different types of fabrics and things to use. So I've really got into doing these courses with the different age groups as well. And I am running another one that starts after this half-term break. So if you would like to join me, it's open for girls and for boys. So it's the 7 years plus is at 4 o'clock, and then they go on for an hour. So they go from 4 to 5, and then the 11 years plus, they go from 5:15 to 6:45. So if you would like to join us, please let me know. You can book on my website at mycenaerose.com, and yeah, it would be great to have you on board, and thank you very much. Okay, bye.